Welcome to my Ball Diamond series templates. This is my baseline template. In this demo video, I'm going to show you a variety of different options. Included with the download is a full tutorial telling you all about the different layers, how to light your subjects, how to insert them, and how to blend them into the scene. If we take a look inside the Elements folder, there's a variety of different options. There's all kinds of things that you can change or manipulate. For example, this softball here can easily change to a baseball if you want to. You can move that around, adjust that. You can move the dust and dirt around on the subject. There are different base options. So if I open up this base option, I can shut off the orange base option and turn on the standard base option, which then can be any of the bases. It can be first, second, or third base. And instead of having the baseline there, you can change the baseline. I can shut that off and not have a baseline for second base, or I can change the direction of the baseline simply by clicking on the other option. There's even a bright sky option, which you can completely change out and make a different look to the scene. You can also easily insert your own athlete. Here's a sample of one of my athletes. I photographed him on green screen. Green screen is not required. You just have to photograph your subject on something you can extract from, and you can extract your subject from just about any background you want. It just takes a little bit of time sometimes. I use my green screen action because it's nice and simple and fast. Simply hit a couple buttons. Then I simply drag the extracted subject into the template and place them in the right spot. Let me shut the other sample one off, resize him slightly. Maybe something like that. I can move some of the dust here, cover up some feet, and then change out that ball to a baseball. Then I move it to the correct spot. It can be as simple and easy as that if you just listen to the directions within the tutorial. If you like this, be sure to check out my other Ball Diamond series templates, including the Ball Diamond Batter's Box, the Ball Diamond Catch, the Ball Diamond Pitcher's Mound, and our Ball Diamond Home Plate Team template.